Hello and welcome to my channel. I just realized that I didn't like my initial intro video, so I'm redoing it. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are gonna be doing a crochet with me for 24 hours, see what I can get done. So I hope you enjoy. I wanted to show y'all my yarn, like some of my yarn, like where I keep it, blah blah blah. It's in my closet, but this isn't even half of it, and that's sad. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be making some what's it called, some like book covers for some people in my family, Christmas presents, you know the deal. Yeah, let me show y'all. Flip the camera real quick. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start right here. Most of these came from like Joann's or Hobby Lobby. Very little came from what's it called? Michael's. So you have all these beautiful colors. These are some scrunchies I made. I was going to like sell these, but I didn't know if I should or not. So let me know if you think I should. They're pretty cute. Some of these are like testers and stuff, but yeah, that's that row. And then we got this stamp over here, even more yarn. Like I said, this isn't even the half of it, and that is sad. But I don't know, let's see what colors are. I need to like use up this yarn, so I think what I'm gonna do is one of them is gonna be like green, pink, and yellow. That's what I'm feeling for one of them. So, and brown. So like maybe this, because I only have one of these, and like it's cute. So this is an option. Probably this softer yellow, right? Yeah. Okay. Green. I only have like one of these. Let's see. Should I use this green too? Will that go with it? I don't know. I can't tell. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I don't know. This is very difficult. Okay. Sorry if you just heard that loud breathing. That's embarrassing. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, do these two greens clash? I don't know. I'll probably use like this brown. I'm almost out of oh. Got stuff fallen. Oh, I was pulling the wrong one. Okay, that's embarrassing. Push that back. I have this brown. Pick this up. Okay. I don't know if I'm feeling this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs one more color. I'm gonna use pink. Yeah, this soft pink. But this, I like started something right here, so I guess I'll leave this one alone. And we'll grab this one. Most of these are like from Hobby Lobby. If it has like the yarn bee, it's from Hobby Lobby. Okay. So I think I like this color combination, and I'll figure out like the order it's gonna go in later. So yeah. Okay, so I have it laid out on my bed, the order what I'm thinking. So I think I'm gonna start off with this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Yeah. And it's gonna be a granny square, by the way. One big granny square, and then like I'll show you the rest as I go along. So yeah. So this is what I have so far. Looking cute. Look close up. Yeah. Okay, so all I have left, it's been about an hour. This could be like an hour to do. That's crazy. But I just have the ends to weave in, and then I'll probably show you what it looks like at the ends, because at the ends, and then I'm gonna fold it like so. But yeah, you'll see it. Okay, so I like just finished this. It turned out super good. Like, what? That's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think I might frick. I th I think might make one for myself. But I'm gonna show y'all how like a book looks in it and stuff like that. So okay, so I have it like set on my bed, but here's like one side of it. Here's the back side of it. But yeah, okay, I have this book. Okay, so this is the book I'm gonna be putting in it. And it's like, anyways, I don't know why I said that. Just slip it in like so. And it's stretchy, so it could like fit other books. You could like, it has this. So if it's smaller, you could just like bring it all the way down here, but I feel like it looks best like on this second hole right here. So yeah, there we go. Super cute. Put it up closer. Back. So yeah, I'll probably be making like 1 or 2 more of those for gifts. So yeah, and that took about like 2 hours. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but 2 hours basically to do it all together, weaving all the ends. And yeah. So I'm about halfway done, and I just wanted to show y'all what I've made so far. So I made 2 of these book covers. Y'all saw this one at the beginning. I didn't like video everything that I've been doing so far, but yes, anyways, 2 book covers, and then I have this adorable little turtle. And then I already started this before I even did the challenge, but it still took me like 2 more hours to finish it. It was pretty difficult to do, not gonna lie, but it turned out so cute. I want to make one for myself, and I'll have to leave the a link down below so y'all can do these. It's from the same person. She does a great tutorial, so I'll leave it linked down below. And then this is going to be like an earring holder. It's so cute. It's a mushroom earring holder. But yeah, this is what I've done so far. This has taken me about 12 hours, so I'm halfway done with the challenge, and it's definitely been over a week. Well, it's like almost been a week, so this challenge is probably gonna take me more than a week to do, only because like, I don't know, I'm kind of like slow, I guess. I don't know, but I'm gonna start on in this box. This is my blanket box, but anyways, I'm gonna be making a blanket for someone, so I'm probably gonna start working on that today. And yeah, probably maybe some other stuff today, we'll see. But yeah. Okay, so it's a different day. I'm currently working on another Christmas present. You guess what it is? I bet you can't just off of this tiny little bit, but it's gonna be a headband, a crochet headband. Can't speak. And I actually like made a little pattern for this. So if you're interested, let me know. Maybe I can do like a future tutorial on it or something. But there's a weird glare. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So it's another day and we're gonna be making a crochet bag for one of my siblings. So sorry about the fan. It's a little annoying, but I did an example of what I want the bag to look like. You can't really see it, but okay, so I've been working on a bag and I'm actually writing a pattern at the same time. So because I plan on selling it on my Etsy as well. So yeah, if you want, check it out below. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. But I'm obsessed with it. Like, I feel like it's gonna turn out really good. Like, I love the texture on it. The camera isn't doing it justice right now. Hello, it is finally the end of my challenge and I'm ready to show y'all everything that I made. And I'm going to say beforehand that it is most likely been like a little bit longer than 24 hours because I kind of didn't keep track of like the timing for everything, but anyways, don't know why I did that. Okay, so the first thing, let's see, I have my basket here filled with goodies that I made. You already saw these, but I'm gonna just show y'all again the beautiful book covers. I made 3 of these. They took me about 2 hours each, so that's about 6 hours right there. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm probably gonna end up making one for myself. Next we have this purse. Oh, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like the detail, even the strap. Like, let me know if I should do a tutorial for this because honestly, it's so cute. It took me about 4 hours to do this, maybe a little bit more. So that's about more than 10 hours already. Let's see here. Next, we have these adorable little cute stuffed animals. We got the cow and we got the turtle. Now the cow I started before the challenge but I still spent a good 2 to 3 hours on this. I spent like 2 hours on this and I will leave the video that I followed to do these down below. But they're so cute. I want to make one for myself. Anyways, I also watched a video for this mushroom that's like an earring holder, and then I made these earrings also. So this mushroom earring holder took about 2 or 3 hours. These took about 20 minutes. Okay, let me know if I should do a tutorial for them because they're so cute and easy. Like, anyways. And then I have this cute little bookmark. I'm obsessed, and I don't know if I should give this away as a gift because I want to keep it for myself, but I might make another one. Yeah. Yeah, I spent like a lot longer than I thought. This took longer than I thought because like no, it's tinier hook, gotta weave in all the ends. Yeah, about 2 hours on this, so I lost count. Hold on, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're about like at 19/20. Wait, about 21/22. And then we have these face scrubbies. Made 2 of these bad boys. 40 minutes for both of these and weaving in the ends. This headband. Let me know if I should do a tutorial on this because it's super easy and it's cute. Don't know why I did that. And then we have this top, which it doesn't look like a top right now, but has lacing all over in the bag. I'll like, you know, insert a video there or whatever. But that took about, oh man, about 3 hours, I'd say, 2 to 3. So we're already at like, we're at like 24 hours right now. And then we have this big old blanket that I thought this would be really quick because it's the jumbo yarn, right? The big thick yarn, but it took me so long. Like I just had to keep on going and going. I think it's because I made it longer than wider, like really long. I made it really long, so I'm having to go back in it anyways. This is like 6 hours, okay? We're past 24 hours, way past 24 hours. So I guess this is like extreme 24-hour challenge. More than 24 hours. Yeah, anyways. I think that might be it. Let me check my box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which is your favorite one that you liked, or if you want me to do a tutorial for any of them, because I totally can and will if you want me to. Anyways, that's it in this video. Bye.